Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show. And for you today, we got an all-American bacon chicken wrap. All right, we've got our tortilla nicely heated, and we've added some chicken. Now we're going to add just a little bit of mayo. Then we're going to add some bacon. Some cheddar cheese. And one last most American of ingredient, ketchup. Then we're going to wrap this tightly, give it some good old butter, and place it on our griddle. All right, as you can see here, I got both sides buttered. It's griddling up nicely. Be a couple of minutes each side. Let's use the magic of cooking show editing to jump ahead into time to when we're going to do the pull apart. All right, now just grab a knife, cut this in half, do the pull apart, and that's the all-American bacon chicken wrap. Done.